Shall we learn how to transition? I think we should learn how to transition. If you watched my How to Roller Skate 101 video, I'd just like to take this time to say, welcome to the club. You made it. You could be anywhere right now, but you are here learning how to transition. I've got a couple favorite transitions. I'm gonna teach them all to you today. Let's start with the front to back transitions. All of these transitions, I'm gonna tell you right now, quick tip, like real true pro tip. You're gonna hear me beat this into the ground, but all roller skating moves are made up of 4 elements. So master the elements and you will master the move. All you need to do is focus on the elements. Everything else will come, okay? Listen to me, my love. Everything else will come if you just focus on these fundamentals. Every skate move is broken up of body position, how our body is moving, how our body is positioned, our knees bent in this movement, are we leaned a little bit more forward or a little bit more backwards in this movement, where are my arms, body position. Rotation, am I rotating, okay? Am I rotating to the left? What's happening here? What edges am I on in this movement? Am I on my front inner edges? Am I on my back inner edges? Am I on all my inner edges? Am I on my outer edges? And then the 4th element is weight transfer, weight distribution. How are we shifting our weight to get this thing done that we want to get done? That's it. Deja, roller skating has to be so much more than that. I sat on the bench for so long, I need to know that it wasn't for no reason. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so when we're thinking about our front to back transition, the first one I'm gonna teach you is gonna be the open book transition. And think of this movement like a book. So this is a book. Imagine I'm holding a book like this, and we're just gonna open the book, and then we're gonna close the book. So we're thinking about our body position. We're in our skater stance. You're gonna come into this one as you're skating forward. Oh, I can't do that, but there we go. I need to restart weak side Wednesday, because what? It's so stiff. The other side is all elegant and beautiful. This side is like, practice on both sides. In my skate course, I have sock drills that look like this that actually show you how to practice this movement in your socks, okay? I'm just not trying to hear no excuses about why we can't practice. My skates haven't come. You got socks though. You got socks though, okay? So let's put these socks on. So we're shifting our weight to our inner edges. All my weight is on this foot now. This foot comes around, and that's the opening of our book. And now I'm shifting the weight to this leg. Right now we're centered, and we're closing the book. Shifting our weight, open the book, close the book. Open, close. So we're here, open the book, shifting to those inside edges, close the book. Practice this on the carpet too. You can go, we're here, and practice shifting and pushing your foot so that it comes around. Open the book, close the book. Shifting to our inside edges, closing the book. What is super helpful, hold your hands like this, put your thumbs on your shoulders, and when you're attempting this transition, pay attention, be mindful of your body, where my weight is shifting and where my shoulders are turning, okay? Because where the shoulders go, the body will follow. So if I'm looking down at my feet, instead of trying to do this transition, my body's confused. It's like, okay, are we going down or what are we doing? That causes jerky movements, and we don't need all those jerky movements. So this will help you understand, am I rotating my shoulders in the direction I want to go? Visualize what you want to see. So there's a trash can behind me. I'm visualizing seeing the trash can, and then boom, there she is. That's it. Pay attention to your shoulders. You probably didn't even know that the shoulder game has to be on point in roller skating, but if you don't know, now you know. Next super easy front to back transition is gonna be heel toe transition, okay? This one you can also do on your toe. heel toe transition. The same thing as the open book, but instead of us keeping our feet on the ground and shifting to our inner edge, we're just gonna shift our weight to our back heel. Boop. There we go. Our weight's still on this foot. Our back wheel, the non-weighted foot, is gonna guide us. It's gonna be like our steer. So we're here, and baby's just driving. That's it. She's serving no purpose other than driving. So we're making sure to turn our shoulders, pop our heel out, push, and close. What's going on with our shoulders? Ooh, that was too fast. Baby got too excited. There we go. Heel toe. Heel toe.
Oh, Mr. Caterpillar, I'm trying to film a video. Gotta take you somewhere else, friend.
Not when I have a casualty on film. No, thank you. All right, that is our heel toe transition. You're transitioning. People are gonna be like, oh my God, who is that? Who gave her that? Who gave her that? Next one's gonna be the spread eagle transition, and it's made up of the same exact movement as the heel toe and the open book transition, except we're just gonna add like a little bit of like panache and flair to it.